everyone, welcome to C3 Streamland. So in this video we are going to start talking about number systems. So in the last video we explored what exactly are numbers, or the term. We discussed a little bit about what numbers are, and then at the end of it I said that these numbers evolved into systems, and we are going to see exactly what those are. So let's say we are at a stage where we have created symbols. So before symbols, Babylonians and some other cultures, including Indians, they used to use these lines. Okay, so if you want to count something 1, they would go like this, or 2, 3, 4, and for 5 they would go. So this is where the development was, just before the symbols were created. And later on, people decided to call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, or 1 in Roman, 3, 4, 5, or in Devanagari 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this can have many other variations, right? These number systems helped us count any quantity as a whole, right? So if you want to count how many fish you have captured today, you can simply count it by using these symbols, or how many cows are there, or how many coins you have, or how many fruits you have on the tree. Yes? So these numbers are called natural numbers. This is the very first number systems people have created, right? But then situation came where, what if you did not catch any fish today? And then what do you call that? How many fish did you catch? Oh, nothing. What is that nothing? And that evolved into creating a symbol which looked something like this. Today we call it a 0 or shunya. We have also created a video on that. So I would encourage you to check out a video on what is 0. And then that was added to your natural number system. So this was a natural number system, and then later on 0 was added, and this whole became a whole number system. So these are whole numbers. So initially natural numbers did not have 0. When it added 0, this became a whole new system which is called whole numbers. Now this number system helped you count anything which is visible, right? How many leaves are there, or how many leaves have fallen, or how many fish, how many plates are there, how many people are eating today, and you could easily count that using these number systems. But you have to realize that while all this development was happening, people were also exploring different and new geographies through trade. There was an introduction of trade. People knew how to travel through sea or land, and they were traveling and they were doing business. They were trading silk, they were trading animals, they were trading spices, right? There was a lot of, so in short, you can say that people discovered something called doing business, right? And when you do business, they were not only exchanging their goods, but they were also exchanging knowledge, and they were also exchanging currencies which were very different from one another. Now, then in that situation, this whole number system fell inadequate. Why? What if you lose? What if you make a loss in your business? What if your balance is less than 0? Then what do I do? How do I write it in my account? Right? How do I write what is how much did I gain and how much did I lose? How do I write it down? How do I make a documentation of it? And that's where we were stuck. And that was the time to evolve this number system into something else. In the next video, we will talk about how people have overcome that problem and created a new number system. Till then, happy exploring.